So, I want to go through one technique we use to clean bolts that works outstanding. We actually use muriatic acid. We're going to walk you through it. We do this only outside because this makes toxic fumes. It's really bad. I have rubber gloves on, which I almost never wear because it also eats your skin. What it does is dissolves aluminum, as we talked about a few times. This looks like salt, but it is not salt, it's aluminum oxide. So we're gonna go outside after we make this clip and put this in there. You'll see it bubble and stuff. In about 15-20 minutes, it cleans it right up. We'll give you an after picture in the video. But the problem with this stuff is, and I've seen it all over the message boards and Facebook and everything else, people have a damaged cylinder, a damaged piston, and it's a sleeve, so this will eat aluminum. It won't eat steel. It'll corrode steel pretty bad. So they say, just put some muriatic acid, take the piston, put another piston. Don't do that, it won't work. It's a hack move, like the biggest hack move ever. Another thing people are doing, it's all over the internet, it's like, my motor won't be cool. They do dilute it, they build a bucket of water, and they put this stuff in there. You're basically melting your motor from the inside out. If you do it wrong, it's going to corrode out. In my opinion, if you have aluminum obstructions, a lot of aluminum oxide in the engine, it has to come apart to do it right. There's all kinds of ways to fix it, and it's basically fool's gold, kind of. Okay, we have our bolts that are all coated with aluminum oxide. These are Yamaha bolts, so they're actually chrome-plated steel. A lot of people think they're stainless. They are not. We have our muriatic oxide, muriatic acid. We are outside. It's a nice breezy day. Only do this outside. Wear a respirator, wear rubber gloves. Put this straight in there. We're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to wash it off with nice hot water. And then we're going to soak it with oil because it will corrode very quickly. Already starting to work. This has been, for lack of a better word, cooking for 20 minutes. You can actually see it bubbling. It's doing its job. It's eating all the aluminum oxide off of there. Also takes a lot of the paint off, which is cool. So I'm going to put my mask on. We're going to walk up. We're going to flush it with fresh water at the spigot again outside. And then what you have to do so it doesn't flash rust, we soak it with oil, just mineral spirits, and then we'll spread it out, take a nice picture for you. So we'll begin with a mask. Very nicely clean. Same bolts, like brand new.